Right, hello and welcome to another video. We are going for a little drive. Not really sure if you can hear that squeaking. As you go everywhere. Basically, I've got a potential droplink issue. Now, squeaking of the suspension. I'm not sure if you can hear that clunking. Not even going up any over potholes or anything like that. I've got clunk, clunk, clunk. But it's only up and down. It's not under braking or under load at speed. There it is again. A little groaning when I'm turning left or right. It's a normal common indicator of a drop link. As you can hear, or maybe not be able to. And see, this road isn't overly bumpy. There's a lot of creaking from the front left. Right, I've diagnosed the problem is a drop link. For those that have seen this, yes, this is the driver's side. I thought I did do the passenger, record the passenger side, but I didn't. So for the removal of the drop link, we'll need an 18mm offset spanner, ring spanner, and a size 6 spline to go on the end of the drop link to stop it moving. So new drop link. I did use penetrating fluid on the other side, that didn't work, so I had to do trial by fire. So I'll be heating the nut up to getting it off. So I have got it loose. The nut is still hot, so do not touch it. So use a socket just to remove it and place it down out of the way. Right, the other nut is off the end. It's still quite warm. Remember to jack up the other side of the car, because remember it is an anti-roll bar. If we've got one car of this side you're doing up, the other side's going to resist. So as you have both sides up, you can easily remove the anti-roll bar, compare it to the new one, and then replace. As you can see, the original is this U-bent shaped metal, where it's just solid, and the replacement, they instead of having spline, they have hex. So it's a size 6 hex, I believe, and a size 19, not an 18. But these are nylocked. No, that's both done up nice and tight. Nylock is on, holding it in place. Much better. Because you should always replace in pairs. So if one side's faulty, always replace the other side, because the other side might be too far along, especially when they're the same original parts. 10 years old. Now we've got a nice new drop links to last another 10 years. Next time it is now to go for a test drive. Like, subscribe. Right, as you can hear, I have replaced the passenger side front drop link on the anti-roll bar, and as you can hear, there is no clunking, there's no squeaking, there is nothing. So if you have something similar, replace the drop link first. Always replace in pairs too, and you won't have any more clunky, squeaky squeak. Thank you for liking, watching and subscribing.